G'day and welcome back to Ordinary Adventurers in Oz. This is another quick video. We went down to a little place called Nariel Creek just outside of Caravan for a long weekend. Had a barbecue and checked the place out. Enjoy. Right, we've been staying here all of the Australia Day long weekends. A place called Nariel Creek, and it's a pretty snazzy little joint. Apparently home to Australia's longest running and oldest folk festival. It's established, I can't work it out, either 1963 or 1962 or 1964. The signs all vary around the place. Quick look. It's a pretty natty little place. Well, it's actually not little. I guess that's sort of stage stuff over there. Toilets, no showers. I'm not seeing any bins, but it's a donation camp, so I'm not surprised there's no bins or showers. There is water, found a tap, and naturally enough there's Nariel Creek. So the local fishers and company, by the looks of this, are doing a little project on the creek to set up better fish habitats, which is just awesome when you think about it. Right along the creek, and I'll just take you down to this one. There's a whole bunch of little, beaches, for the want of a better word. We are fairly inland, and I'll show you the mountains in just a sec. But you can see what they've been doing with the promotion of the fish habitat, or the development of the fish habitat. So these things that you can sort of see across the creek have been set up to disturb the water flow, speed it up, slow it down, create the eddies and dead spots in the river to improve the fishing. Fantastic little idea. Just on a long weekend, when you've got a whole bunch of people jumping in and out of the creek, it's pretty arguable how well it works. Certainly when I was down here fishing, there wasn't anything on offer, or at least anything taking the lures. And I had a chat to a couple of people over the weekend who'd been fishing, and they hadn't had any luck either. So yeah, you can sort of see it is in a valley, the Nariel Valley, and there's lots of birdlife around. Not so much kangaroos and things like that, but it's pretty cool. So yeah, let's back around. But yeah, as we so walk back up to the van. It is a donation camp. They ask for $5 a night. It keeps the place mowed and toilet paper in the drop loos, things like that. So, we enjoyed it. It's our second time here. You can, plenty of room. You can go in groups, have a bit of a swim if it's summer. I reckon that creek would be extraordinarily cold in winter. Yeah, and it's quiet. So yeah, if you can go off grid and cope with no water for a day or two, you're all good. Come and visit. And as I mentioned in the intro, we had our little campfire and barbecue in the fire pit, which you're welcome to do here apparently. Anyway, if you've liked this short video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.